Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube intro. To begin, go to the Canva app and search YouTube intro in the search box. There you'll see free templates, but I'll start with a blank page. Then you scroll to background. I'll use the pink striped one. Click on the three dot extension on the top right corner of the template, and that's to add a new page. Then click the plus sign to add a new free template. Delete the picture, the text, and all the clouds. And I'll add my pink background, and I'll swipe left to add a new page, add a new template, and delete the face, text, purple clouds. This time I'll leave the transparent clouds. Then I'll add my background once again. Then I'll swipe left again to add a new page, add template, delete the picture, text, purple clouds, and add my background. And this time I'll click on the plus sign again to add a sticker, and I'll type star in the search box and I'll choose one. Once again, I'll add a new page and add a new template. I'll delete the face, picture, text, purple clouds, and add background, a sticker star, text, adjust, I'll change the color here. I'll also create a new page, add a new template, delete face, text, and add my background, add the star sticker, then my text, change color. I'll add a little bit of body text. I'll type subscribe, like, share. Now I would like to save it. I'll click on download. I'll select all 6 pages and download. Now I'll play back to see what it looks like. This is rather long, so you don't want to use this as your intro. You have to edit it to adjust the speed and also to add music. I'll show you what it will look like. So now I want to create an outro. I'll just open a new page. As I'll add sticker, I'll type subscribe in the search box and choose one. And adjust. Now add background. Create a new page, change background, click on add sticker or type like, and I'll choose any of the icons that appear. I'll adjust the size. Create another new page, change the background, click on add sticker and type share. I'll choose this one, so I'll adjust the size. I'll save it. And play. So I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done with the speed adjustment and music. So let me know what you think. If this was helpful,